Subscribe to us for more updates. Here's how to create a Christmas vibes video. Download InShot in the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your Christmas video into the InShot app. Tap Effect. Select AI Effect. Go to Celebrate. Choose from among the Celebrate AI effects that suits your video the best. Choose the Snow Globe effect. Adjust the value to your preference. Tap the arrow icon and select Clip End. Next, tap Sticker. Select Sticker. Go to our Merry Christmas sticker pack. Choose the stickers you want and adjust accordingly. You can also choose stickers from the This the Season sticker pack. Select Clip End for each of the stickers. Tap Tracking. Select the target tracking icon. Do this to track the stickers on a person's face. Tap Start Tracking. Do this for each of the stickers. And here's the final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.